In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Bumpsale button to your WordPress powered website. So this allows you to install the button that you have created on Bumpsale into your website that is powered by WordPress.org. That is already installed and you've gotten that taken care of and your website is already powered. This tutorial assumes that you've already went to bumpsale.com and connected your Stripe account to set up your first Bumpsale account, and you've gotten the name and the Bumpsale URL, the starting price and the bump increment price, everything all set, and you saved it so that you now have this HTML that you're trying to figure out how to get this HTML to look like an actual button that shows up on your web page wherever you want to show up. So you've already created your web page in WordPress and you've edited it to with all the content and pictures for your offer. And now you just need the button to show up where it needs to show up. So you've got the HTML code here, and you'll head over to your WordPress powered website. And this is the WordPress editor. And you can see that I'm editing a specific page in WordPress. And I've got the title and some content there and a picture that's going to go with the offer. And here I want to go to the options and click Edit as HTML, which will show us the HTML that's behind this page that gives us the visual look when you open it up in a browser. So from there, we'll go and grab the first line of code from Bumpsale and we'll copy it into the same area. We can actually overwrite the code that's already there. So what we're going to do is actually delete the code that's already there just so that it only has the code that we want. So we'll start there by just having the code from Bumpsale. And then we'll grab the next line of code, copy that, and then we'll paste it. And then grab the next line of code, which is the style that defines what the Bumpsale button will look like. And we'll paste that here. And you can see all those elements in the block. And if you wanted to even add more customization to your Bumpsale button, you could like change the size of the font to make it a bigger button, change the border radius so that the edges of the button look more curved than they do in the preview example you see here, which is like a sharp curve. And you'll see when we click update that our when we want to preview that. So now you can see the button showing up after our title and intro copy and right above the picture, just like where we put it here. But you can see it's like off to the left a little bit. So what I like to do is add a center tag. This HTML tag is pretty simple. Just type the bracket and center, and then that bracket there that closes it. And then to close the HTML center tag, you add the bracket with a slash center in the black bracket and click update. And then when we go back to preview this using this link here, you can see that that button is now centered on the page. And when a visitor visits your Bumpsale promotion, they click on the button, They get the pop-up from Stripe that is a secure page that allows them to enter their payment information and pay the amount that they click the button at. And you can see the countdown timer that is here that tells them how long they have left to make sure they get the price that they clicked at before that price is released to someone else. And once they pay, you'll see this button on your website automatically change from $1 to the next increment that you have set. So for example, in our bump sale setup here for the demo, we have a starting price of $1 and a bump price of $1. So that means every time someone clicks this bump sale button and pays, the next price will automatically show up for the next person. So the first person will pay $1, second person will pay $2, third person will pay $3, and this will automatically be handled by the button and in real time. And that's how you install the bump sale button on a WordPress powered website.